Hello, my name is Sterling, and I am self-publishing my first book next month, Treasure Protectors, Inc., a STEM fiction novel. This is no ordinary book. It is part of a new genre that I coined STEM fiction. This genre is designed to provide the reader opportunities to not only learn about science, technology, engineering, and math, but to give them opportunities to apply the concepts in the book. The book uses augmented reality to bring to life the STEM concepts. I have been teaching technology and engineering education for over 10 years. When I tell others what I teach, they always lament not having access to these classes when they were in school. Students and parents often don't know that these classes exist. My goal in writing this book is to excite middle grade and young adult readers to enroll in technology and engineering education classes in middle school and high school, as well as participate in STEM clubs. I also want to encourage other STEM professionals to create their own books to contribute to the STEM fiction genre. The book, Treasure Protectors, Inc., a STEM fiction novel, is filled with STEM activities that I have either taught or learned growing up. The activities in the book are able to be reproduced by the reader. To celebrate the publishing of my book next month, my goal is to create daily videos talking about what I have learned and the process that I have gone through to self-publish a book, and provide tips to others who also want to self-publish a book. If you are interested in self-publishing or curious about the process, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow along as I share my journey of self-publishing an augmented reality book with you.